welcome back to Down Under Adventures. Today I'm back with my cousins, Ella and Maya. And today we are going to be making some puppy slime! So we've each chosen our colours. So May's is blue, and I'm mostly pink, and I basically have a galaxy slime. So let's get making. So I'm gonna get the glue.
You got your bowls and spoons?
Yep. Yeah. My turn.
Oh, don't trip it.
Don't trip it. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh, it's pretty.
I'm just waiting for it to drip. Oh,
That's it. Pass it to Maya.
Okay. Got a bit of my bowl.
Now, Alice, you can go on to your next bit there.
Okay. So I love glitter glue. So I
Pass that back to me.
think I might do some glitter.
Yep. Oh, no, you're going to do your smelly one, aren't you?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes.
Smelly.
Scent.
So this time we've got scented little glitter glues. So we're going to open it
and
and
put a
put
block
one.
of that in. So let's just do that first.
What flavour's yours, Ella?
Grape,
And Charlotte, what flavour's yours?
strawberry.
That's it. That's it, Maya.
Oh no, I put it on the wrong way.
That's enough. Let me just get that stuff
I
back
put
in.
it on the wrong way.
Okay, there we go. Mine's done with the scent. Now I'm going to do
You've
some.
got to do some glitter in yours. Right, so girls, in with some glitter. And yeah, Maya, you put your glitter glue in.
Wait, how do you open
We're gonna do
this?
some glitter.
Twist. Twist the cap off. Charlotte, cap right off.
There. And do.
Oh no.
Keep going. Keep going. That's it.
A little bit more.
Keep going, Char. A little bit more. A little bit more.
That's enough. That's one.
That's enough. Uh-oh, I'm getting it everywhere.
Pass that one to Maya because she wanted to use that one as well.
Here.
Lid back on, Maya. Lid back on.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Oh.
My magic.
No. Charlotte.
Okay, how do we... Is this open? How do we open this thing?
Twist it. Twist it right off the top. The lid off.
Okay.
Next, now let's just
Okay,
put
that is enough. I
One.
think.
2 pinches.
Now let's add the micros.
It's like a science experiment, guys.
Yeah, it's like we're pouring in little potions.
Yep.
Potions.
Thank you.
That's really pretty.
Charlotte, you were going to put some of that one in too.
This one?
Weren't you?
Yeah, I was.
That's enough for me. Charlotte's
Okay.
just like dumped her
Just
glitter in one spot.
That's all right. She's going to start mixing in a minute.
I need this stuff.
Oh, not yet, not yet.
Just
Has everyone got all their glitter in?
yeah, I've got my
Just put these bits away.
that glue, and I've got that glue.
You've got
And it's time to put just a drop. Oh, can you pass? Time to put just a drop of food colouring in. So, Maya, you've got blue. Charlotte,
I've got pink, rose pink.
black. That's the dangerous one. So just a tiny bit else. Tiny bit for each of you.
I'm just gonna
I don't want to go all overboard with the black.
Because black
Tiny drop.
and blue is just like a little version.
That's it. Oh, Charlotte, yours is going to be very bright pink.
Yeah.
Watch out, Maya, you go. That's it. That should be fine.
I really want to bright
Mine's
pink
really
to
good.
say,
Mine's
guys.
really good.
Okay, girls, time to
Mix!
woohoo!
Don't we need to add our shaving cream?
Soon. Just mix this bit up first.
Mix it.
Make it
Oh,
all
it's
thorough.
turning so blue.
Oh my gosh,
Mine's
yours is going to be
turning
red.
Mine's
Yes.
Mine's gonna be
Okay.
a nice blue, I think.
Here comes the magic.
Shaving cream. And the shaving cream makes the slime a bit bigger.
Yeah, it does.
I'm just
Because
gonna
we've
mix
got a
this
small
a bit more.
Ooh.
Mine smells like food dye. It doesn't smell like peppermint. It's going everywhere.
Ooh, mine's like a pretty.
Ours will smell so much like food dye. Yours will smell like fruit dye because mine's like a grey. Mine smells like fruit dye.
That's enough, yeah. Pass it on.
Okay.
Mixy, quick, get mixy.
Mine's gonna be like a grey colour.
Keep going.
Whoa, girls, look at
Keep
mine.
going, man.
Mine's turning white. I thought it was gonna be a galaxy,
Okay.
but it's like turning white.
Do you need more black?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Let's put
I'm
that
just
back in.
scooping up
Keep
a
stirring.
This is good. This is actually turning light blue now. It's
Yeah,
turning.
spray
this
down the
is gonna
sides, girls, because the sides is where your colour is.
This is gonna be called cloud slime, I think.
No,
Because cloud slime you need shade. I mean,
No,
it's gonna be cold.
Okay. A
It
little
was-
bit more shaving foam for each of you.
Okay.
Do you want some more colour for those?
Yes, please. Mine's a bit
Us.
light blue, but I really like light blue. That's what I wanted. I'm just gonna mix
That's enough.
slowly
Next.
now, so that. Okay.
Mine's gonna be really fluffy, guys.
Ooh,
That's gonna be black.
that's dark grey, I think. Okay. Now the magic ingredient, some baking soda.
I just
Mixy. I'll come along and give you each some water. Little bit of water, not too much. Just a splash, Maya.
Ooh, splash.
Not on the table, Charlotte.
Ooh. What am I doing?
hold it in the middle, okay?
That might be enough.
Okay, that's good for me.
Mistake.
I only added tiny.
Whoa, mine's like getting bubbly now.
And the magic ingredients.
Baking soda.
Now baking soda, it kind of does activate it. So.
A
No,
little
it makes it not sticky to your hands,
Yes.
doesn't it?
And remember, if you add some activator to your hands, it won't be stickiness to you. Here's a tip. So,
Stirring.
This is cool.
you scrape it all down.
This
from
slime
the
is good, mine.
If
I
we
thought my
could
slime was
sti-
gonna turn out
if-
black, but it's like a
guys,
grey colour. And
my
you can
slime
barely
is
see
gonna
the
be
glitter.
good
Wait
because
till
my
you see
slime's
it in the
already.
glow, in the light.
My slime's already good. I know it's gonna be
Now,
good.
guys, do you know that if we still saw the shaving bit, we would actually see like it would be snowtastic.
This
Ready
is,
for some
you can,
activator?
you can just see the
Ooh.
tiniest, you can
Stirring.
see the tiniest bit of the rose gold glitters. It's already like forming.
Yeah, it doesn't take long.
And remember it when we're gonna
And
play
especially from
with
the
it.
baking soda, it doesn't take long at all.
And remember when we're gonna play with it, it's not gonna stick to us like last.
Oh yeah, that's good slime.
Because
I know it's gonna be good already because it's already.
mine's
turned.
really.
My
Mom's
mouth's
already
Stirring,
getting like
stirring.
mine's already activated.
Look at
Keep
mine.
stirring.
Mine's two. Mine's good.
How's everyone going? Does anyone else need any extra activator or some?
I just
Magic
need to mix
hands?
mine a little bit more. My humps
You
getting-
need a little bit more activator, I think.
Yeah, looks a bit sticky.
Oh no.
Because if you add it to your hands, it won't stick to you.
Ooh. I think I might need a little bit more
Slimy.
active.
Yeah, watch out.
Oh, it's really stretchy. Oh, made like a thingy
The
there.
pattern, yeah.
I
Yeah,
need
it's
some
in-
on my hands so then when I can
You'll all
play
get
with
some
it.
on your hands in a second.
That
Well, I just want to touch it now. Oh wow.
Shall
Mine's not like. Mine's just really fluffy.
Ooh, look at that!
Mine's pretty good, I think. Mine's like Alice is more grey than a galaxy.
Mine's
But it's a
just
galaxy grey.
Yeah.
Mine's just really
And the
light.
galaxy is kind of grey.
Charlotte looks all like light and fluffy.
I think yours is okay there, mate. I don't think it needs any more activator, but
Nah.
see how it's got the
I
dye
need
stirring
some
in?
magic hands.
Magic hands.
Hands.
Wait, Charlotte, look.
Mixy.
Mine looks really stretchy. Mine looks
yeah.
good. I don't know what mine looks like, but whatever.
Guys,
it looks
I've got rose gold fingers.
I've
Me
got
too.
pink fingers with
a
I
little
got
bit
weird fingers. I don't
Right.
know what my fingers are. My fingers are.
Whoa.
I've got fingers.
You've got fingers? What?
I've got fingers. I don't don't
Little
have
bit
any
more?
colour
Yeah,
fingers. I just have
maze. Yours looks
Okay.
amazing.
Hands out.
maze. Yours looks amazing.
Hands out.
Oh, look
A
at
little bit of activator on your hands. Quick.
I've done.
Okay. Time to slime.
Let's go.
Slime.
Okay.
Come on.
Mine
Let's
out
just
Use your
first.
hands.
stick to the spoon.
Yours is a bit smaller. Mine's a bit big.
Mine's humongous because I added a bit too much of shaving
Look at
foam.
yours. It's coming out like boo-boos.
Mine has glitter stuck all
On the
over the
spoon.
spoon. So I'm just getting all that glitter off. Oh my god. Mine is looking good, actually. Mine's actually looking quite good.
Right.
Time to play for mine. Oh, it just leaves a
Spoon.
mark. Whoa. Mine's just fluffy and floppy. It's not really.
so good.
Okay. Mine's not really. This is like cloud slime because if you touch it, it won't.
Okay.
What is happening to mine?
What would you like? Would
Mine
you like
is
some
so
silver in
good.
yours or
Yes.
some black?
Please, some silver. But what is happening
Stretch it out in the
to
middle.
mine?
Mine is excellent.
That's it.
Mine's
It
not.
feels
Mine's
super.
not stretchy.
Oh
You
no.
might have added in too much of shaving foam, I think.
No. Keep going.
Just
Much more activator.
Yeah, I think I need some more activator.
No, I don't think you need any more activator.
I think mine's actually quite okay. And some in.
No, you're going to tip that in.
Oh.
Right, roll it in.
Mine might need a little more activator. I don't
Whoa,
think so.
look at the table.
Oh, Bloxy's not going to be happy.
It's fine.
Right.
Mine's just turning into white.
Woohoo!
Oh my god.
All right, so you want some blue glitter?
No.
I will.
Maya?
I will.
Rose gold, because you can't see your
I'll have.
Do you want some blue glitter in it then?
Can I have
No.
some blue and
I just want
rose
rose
gold,
gold.
please?
I just want some rose gold.
Anyone want to feel mine?
No,
Don't make it stretchy. Stretch it out.
Mine's
Well,
really
mine's like
stretchy.
it's kind of.
Oh, look at yours. It's gone all funny.
I know. That's
It's
what I
all
was.
blopsy.
Look
Blopsy.
at mine.
See, mine is like a science experiment.
Mine is a bit of. I think she might have added too much shaving foam,
Yeah.
and now all the shaving foam's like. Oh, that
Okay,
was.
next
Can
one.
I? Can I let
Whoa! You want
That
some?
was a lot. Mine's
Okay.
good now. Mine's excellent.
Watch out. We're almost done. So, guys, what do we have to do?
Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And
Comment down below whose is the funnest slime. Let's have a look. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching.